Jai Sriman
Rama is glowing like anything because Sitamma is there right next to Rama. Rama's glow is multiplied like anything, just like sun. He is glowing, he is illuminating. To such Rama, Sumantra is having a beautiful darshanam of Rama, and immediately Vavande Varadam Vandi. With so much of humbleness, Sumantra did namaskaram to Rama and saying that, "Oh Kausalya Supraja Rama, the most beloved son of Kausalya Devi. Oh Rama, how are you doing? Did you have good sleep?" Like that Sumantra asked Rama, and also saying that, "Oh Rama, Raja Dasharatha Maharaju along with Kaikamma is there in her Antahpuram, in her palace. They are asking you to come down to them as soon as possible. Rama, please get ready and come with me. Do not delay anymore." Like that, when Sumantra said, Rama felt so happy to hear that news. Immediately addressing Sitamma, saying that, "Oh Sita, mantrayete dhruvam kinchit abhishechana samhitam." Definitely, Mother Kaikeyi and Dasharatha Maharaju, father, both of them must be thinking about me. Both of them must be thinking about my Pattabhishekam. My Kaikeyi Mata must be exceedingly happy about my Pattabhishekam. My Kaikeyi Mata must be saying to Dasharatha Maharaju that not to wait for Bharata. Let us get this Pattabhishekam done as soon as possible. Like that, Kaikeyi Mata must be saying to Dasharatha Maharaju, "Oh Sita, you do not worry. My Kaikeyi Mata, my father Dasharatha Maharaju, both of them calling me means that itself is a great fortune. I feel so lucky to be called by them. Oh Sita, Dhruvam Adya Evamam Raja Yavarajye Abhipekshiyati." Definitely, my father Dasharatha Maharaju must be thinking of getting my Pattabhishekam done today itself. That is why my father Dasharatha Maharaju calling me. Oh Sita, you do not worry, and you please be happy with all your mates. You please be happy with all your friends. Like that, Ramachandra Swami told Sita, and now leaving from that palace. Sitamma is following Rama all the way up to the main door. Advaram Anuvavraja Mangalani Abhidadhyushi. Sitamma is following, thinking that, "Oh Rama, you are so innocent." After getting so much of decoration, Rama is glowing like anything with all the divine attributes. Rama is looking like a gem for Sitamma. Sitamma saying to her mind that, "Oh Rama, may you be safe. Oh Rama, may you be there, no problem, no harm at all. Oh Rama, may you be successful." Like that, Sitamma offering so much of Mangala Sasanam to Sri Ramachandra Swami, and then from there Sitamma stopped over there at the main door, and Rama left that palace. With meditation upon Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.
As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.